AI tools are already helping people make real money in 2025. In this episode, I'll break everything down clearly, step by step.
Welcome back to Future Hustle Lab. I am with my co-host Aadi, and we are trying to get more and more information about AI tools.
Today, we are taking a deep dive into Claude AI, one of the most powerful writing tools available right now.
Writing is one of the most in-demand skills online, but many people struggle to write clearly and consistently. People need to write emails, scripts, blogs, and documents, but they lose time, confidence, and productivity.
This is where Claude AI becomes a powerful solution.
Claude AI is an advanced artificial intelligence designed to help people write faster, clearer, and smarter. It can generate long-form content, short scripts, professional emails, and structured documents.
This makes Claude AI useful for freelancers, students, creators, and online businesses. Even beginners with no writing background can start using Claude AI immediately. The first step is giving Claude a clear instruction about what you want to write.
When the instruction is clear, Claude AI understands exactly what output is required.
The second step is selecting the writing style and tone you want.
Claude AI can adapt its writing style based on your exact needs.
This removes the guesswork that beginners often struggle with.
The third step is reviewing and refining the generated content.
You can adjust length, clarity, and structure without rewriting from scratch. What once took hours now takes only minutes.
Let's look at how people actually use Claude AI in real life. Freelancers use Claude AI to write proposals, client emails, and project briefs.
This allows them to work faster and handle more clients. And what about content creators? Creators use Claude AI to write video scripts, podcast outlines, and social captions.
This helps creators stay consistent without creative burnout. Businesses rely heavily on written communication.
Businesses use Claude AI for reports, marketing copy, and internal communication.
This reduces errors and improves professional quality. It also builds confidence for beginners.
Students use Claude AI to organize notes and understand complex topics.
It should be used responsibly as a learning assistant.
Now let's talk about how Claude AI helps people earn money.
Claude AI is not just a writing tool. It is also a practical income-generating assistant.
Most beginners start by offering writing services online.
Claude AI helps freelancers write proposals, client responses, and project outlines quickly.
Writers typically charge per project or per word, depending on complexity.
With AI assistance, freelancers can handle more work without increasing stress. If this breakdown is helping you, make sure to subscribe, because we explain each AI tool step by step in this series. Content creators use Claude AI to write scripts faster and stay consistent.
This consistency helps channels grow without creative burnout.
Businesses also rely heavily on written communication.
Claude AI improves clarity, tone, and professional quality across documents. Claude AI improves clarity, tone, and professional quality across documents.
However, mistakes can happen if the tool is misused. Using unclear instructions often leads to weak or irrelevant results.
Publishing AI-generated content without review can damage credibility.
The key is combining AI efficiency with human judgment.
AI-assisted writing will continue to grow as demand for content increases. Those who learn these tools early gain long-term advantages.
Let's answer some of the most common questions. Is Claude AI safe for client work?
Yes, when content is reviewed and customized for client needs.
Does Claude AI handle long documents well? And is Claude AI suitable for technical writing?
Yes. It performs especially well with long-form structured writing and, yes, when provided with sufficient context and clear instructions.
Can beginners earn using Claude AI?
Yes. Many beginners start by offering simple writing services.
Does Claude AI help with idea generation?
Yes. It is effective for brainstorming and outlining content.
Can Claude AI content be detected?
Responsible editing and personalization reduce detection risks.
Can Claude AI work with other AI tools?
Yes. Many users combine it with design and video tools.
Can Claude AI help scale a writing business?
Yes. It allows handling more clients without sacrificing quality.
Is Claude AI better than other writing tools?
It excels in clarity and context, especially for long-form writing.
Can Claude AI help non-native English writers?
Yes. It improves grammar and clarity for global users.
Is Claude AI future-proof? AI writing tools will continue evolving, making early adoption valuable.
What is your final advice for beginners?
Start simple, practice consistently, and combine AI with human judgment.
Claude AI is a powerful assistant when used correctly and responsibly.
Subscribe to Future Hustle Lab because we'll continue breaking down each AI tool step by step.
In the next episode, we will explore Canva AI in full detail.